Hi everyone, welcome to How to Fix Online. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Facebook audio quality using your iPhone. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If your Facebook audio quality is bad when you are trying to watch a video on Facebook app, then the first thing to do is to make sure that you are connected to a stable internet connection. Turn on your Wi-Fi or your cellular data and get connected first. Once you have a stable internet, the next thing to do is to check for available updates for your Facebook application. Open up your App Store and in the search box, type in Facebook. Once you make your search, you'll be able to see this interface. If you see an update button next to Facebook, simply tap on that button to download the latest version of Facebook application. If you see an open button, it means your application is up to date. Once you're done with the update, you might be able to fix your issue. Simply open up the app, try playing a video, and see if that fixes the issue. If it still doesn't work, delete your Facebook application from your mobile device. In order to do that, find Facebook from the app drawer, press hold the app for quite some seconds, and tap on Remove App. Tap on Delete App from the pop-up. And once you've deleted your application, go back to App Store and re-download it again on your mobile device. Those were some of the fixes that might help you improving your Facebook audio quality or fixing your Facebook audio quality. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.